famous comedian Godfrey just reviewed my video on YouTube. We need to watch this, guys. Watch this with me. Let's go. Play.
Talking about Jamaica, the Jamaican Spiderman.
That's me.
This was fucking amazing. Watch this shit. Jamaican Spiderman. I was like, this
There you
is so
go,
great.
there you go,
Jamaican
there you go.
Spiderman should be Jamaican.
Right? Yes.
You ready?
Mama, call me.
Jamaican.
Hold on.
You gave me your $50 Jamaican dollars. I was giving it to this kid, and the other one run away with the money.
Turn it up.
Autograph.
Autograph.
Yeah. Watch me now.
Not sure you meant autograph.
Yeah. And same rich. Like my autograph is worth anything. These ones need stream snipe me. I'm just signing autograph for days. Subscribe, people. Rich.
I love it.
What do you have to say? Let me
Dude,
hear them.
and it's a fucking cool costume.
It is. It is.
Spider-Man, do whatever a spider can.
Yeah.
Spins away, any size.
Hey.
Catch him
Hey.
thief, just like fly. Look out.
Hey. Here
Here
comes
comes the
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Is he strong?
Hey.
Listen, blood. He got them radioactive blood. Boom.
Hey.
Can you sing?
Bravo.
On a tread. Take a look. Over and head. There goes the Spider-Man. In the chill of night. At the scene of the crime.
Yo,
The street
when
of
the light, me arrive just one time. Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
Look,
Wealth and fame,
he
he's
ignored.
ignored. Action is his reward.
Make winner.
Him, life is a great big hang.
Yes.
Wherever there's a hang,
Yeah.
you'll find a Spider-Man.
That's right, no man.
Da-da-da-da.
They be like, there go them Spider-Man. Spin
Them
away.
go- them
Get
go.
them. A Jamaican Spider-Man would be off the
Fair. Marvel.
Like a fan.
Multiverse. They should do it like they did in the
Yeah.
last Spider-Man.
True.
Remember
Yeah,
the 80s when
yeah,
they-
Oh, yeah,
Jamaican
Jamaican
one?
one, yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that would be fucking
Yo.
awesome.
Play him.
Oh, that would
You be like Green Goblin, suck your mother,
I'm a Christian.
Slide.
I'm a Christian.
suck your mother, Green Goblin.
Suck your mother.
Hey, boy, go. Hey.
Box your face in a place. Let's go right
Yeah,
now.
me
Yeah.
wicked man.
1 years old. Wicked, man. Remember, like and share and follow my other page. That's called Anansi Man. And on YouTube, Anansi Man. My other page is also Jamaican Spider-Man. Come on, follow, subscribe up on the thing. And share the thing. I make Marvel call me now.